Good afternoon. Welcome to Jim Munley's World of Weather. You clicked on to the long-range weather forecast discussion for January 4th to the 18th. The MJO we're taking a look at here, a wave strengthening again and moving back into phase 4 and 5, and it's milder look for the eastern U.S. This is during the 11 and 15 day period. However, the MJO holds strong with mild pattern will continue through the 6 to 20 day and possibly 21 to 25 day before change is possible. Some of the models showing a change further thereafter. So in this period, it'll be mostly near to above normal temperatures across much of the nation, and followed by some cooler air, not extremely cold, with the Arctic air remaining to the north across Canada behind departing systems. Okay, we're going to look at the period now for January 4th to the 8th, and we're expecting a generally west to east flow across the nation. A ridge is forecast over the eastern Pacific, and we have an upper low near Greenland with below normal heights across the Arctic. And we'll take a look at the pattern here. Now, within this period, we're going to have this low down here. Low pressure will move into the eastern U.S. on Friday and cause rain across portions of the area, ending as wintry precipitation from the low Great Lakes and to the Appalachians in New England Saturday night into Sunday. So here we are, Thursday, 7 p.m., and then we go to Friday. System moves into the east. See a little mixed precipitation. Little mixed precipitation across New York State. And then we go further in time. Now here's Friday. Saturday the system is inland, so it's warmer. And then you can see we get some snow back here, even down into the south. Don't know how that'll work out. And then we look at the European, a little less than the precipitation. Notice where the 540 line, it's possible where the 540 line dips down to the south. And then we go into Sunday, and the system exits, and then we have another system moving in. And we have another system moving into to the northeast. The northwest into the northern Rockies remain unsettled as a couple of Pacific waves impact the region. We're going to now look at the period for January 9th through 13th. And a nearly zone of flow is forecast across the nation. A region remains over the eastern Pacific with below normal heights in the west. And we have heights remain above normal in the east with the upper low across Greenland. Here's our upper low. This is why the colder air isn't coming south. So the pattern is, models are good agreement with the pattern. So for this forecast period, forecasting below normal temperatures here, forecasting anomalies of 4 to 8 degrees below normal, above normal temperatures here, with anomalies of 2 to 4 degrees above normal. For precipitation, calling for below normal precipitation here and for this region. And the probability of occurrence is 35%. Above normal precipitations here due to the westerly flow carrying several systems. Probability of occurrence is 35%. Now we're going to go to the period for January 14th to the 18th. And the flow remains generally unchanged. We have, this is GFS, shows very strong positive height anomalies here near the Aleutians. Trough here, ridge in the east. Overall, the patterns are in good agreement on this. So for this forecast period, forecasting below normal temperatures from the plains to the Pacific coast. Forecasting numbers at 6 to 12 degrees below normal. Above normal temperatures here, with the numbers of 4 to 8 degrees above normal. For precipitation, calling for above normal precipitation here and for the southeast and lower mid-Atlantic, and the probability of occurrence is 40%. That's the long range weather forecast discussion for January 4th to 18th. Thanks for coming to Jim Munley's World of Weather, and have a good day.